Finally, here it is. Received the package from Sweden. Thank you, Johan, for being communicative with me to expedite the transport of this package. Let's open it up. Can't wait to install this. Nicely packed. And here it is. And this. So I'm assuming this is a trim piece. And this is probably the item. What a beauty so far. It's for AP1. That's it. That's all there is to it. Came in a nice packaging. Looks very professional. And let's mod the S2000 cluster. Let's put everything back and work on the S2 cluster. It's looking good. Wow. This product is not cheap, so just for the sake of a new cluster. And the bezel. The bezel is actually really nice CNC. It's not plastic, it's actually metal. Beautiful. Now let's mod the S2000 AP1 cluster to fit. Also comes with this little instruction, or it's like a little letter, probably saying, I don't know what this is, let's find out. A little checklist from Johan. So it's like a QI kind of assurance. So here is the S2000 cluster that I'm going to be using to retrofit it. So remove the hood, and then from what the instruction per se is, you're going to have to trim all this mold, this little protruding plastic piece. So let's remove that. I nip all around the cover, and you need to Dremel it out. So just cover the, once you remove the top piece, let's cover this and break this tab over. Ooh. Let me break this tab over here. You don't need those tabs. Cut the tabs on the side, on both sides, and then you cut around this. So trim all the moldings right over here. Things that you don't need, and trash it. You have to take out the 3 screws in the back. Push all the tabs out. Let's replace it. First, I'm going to take out the steering wheel. Let's remove my steering wheel. Oh man, to remove this panel right here, the cover, make sure you reach in here and unplug the wire on both sides. It's pretty tight. So once you unplug it, just pull out safely without scratching anything. Now we got to take out the gauge cluster, just held on by these little bolts. Yay, the cluster is out. So held on by 2 bolts on the bottom and 2 on top. Dang, this thing is heavy and huge. And it's pretty heavy, I guess. 90s technology. Look how huge this thing is. Oh man, look at that. That's where the S2 is gonna go. Cluster, just pinch these 2 little things on the bottom. And that's it. Let's put the other one on. All right, so after all the cutting, the grinding and polishing, we are ready to install. Everything is on. Everything is bolt on. It looks good, looks factory. Also good to clean up all this cobwebs over here. Decades of dust. Wirings. All right, everyone, everything is buttoned up, everything is put back. Just the reverse orders. So here it is. We're gonna turn it on. Probably wondering why I'm not wearing slippers. Here it is. Turn it on. There you go. Oh, the works. Brake works. My trunk lid is open, so this is awesome. Oh my goodness, and that's my mileage right now. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. The only thing I'm missing on this, oil pressure. There's a line for the oil pressure. You can put it on. I don't really need it. I mean, how often I look at the oil pressure. And the volt meter. I can probably have one of those little cigarette lighter. You know, they have those little volts on them. So, I don't worry about it. I don't really drive my NSX that much. But anyway, wow, loving it. Loving it. Oh my god, I love it. It's beautiful. Anyway guys, it was fun building it. It was fun putting it together, cutting it, putting all these things around me, and I love it. Until next time, I haven't really spent much time on my NSX, and this is one of the gratitude that I did to my car. Thanks to my loved one for supporting me as well. And please, if you haven't done so, subscribe. Please subscribe, and love to be your friend on this channel. Until next time, please thumbs up. God bless, and more project to come. Thank you guys, appreciate it. God bless. Bye.